Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable call forwarding in Samsung Galaxy A15. So for this, all you guys have to do just click on call log and we have three dot option. Just tap it and then go to settings. After that, scroll it down. We have supplementary services here. Just click on supplementary services. So in this window, as you see, we have option of call forwarding. Click on call forwarding and then you guys can click on both voice call and video call. I'm just telling you about voice call. And then we have these four options: always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and forward when unreachable. So if you want to set this one, just give here a phone number to which you want to forward. And if you want to set forward when busy, so just give a phone number here. So now you can set forwarding call in Samsung Galaxy A15. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and subscribe us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.